This video shows how to calculate the length of a rafter using the free calculator at vcalc.com. A link to this calculator will be in the first comment. It's pretty straightforward geometry. You need to know the span of the roof, and you need to know the pitch of the roof, the overhang, because that's the total span, and then the width, the width of the board that you're going to use. All of those are vital to this calculation. It does assume a 2x in between for the ridge. So once you know the span, you could simply put in the dimensions, and you could choose different units if you like. If you don't like feet and inches, you can use meters and centimeters, but the default is to feet. So you could put in the span of the roof, and we'll say it's like 24 foot span. Once you pick the pitch, it will do the calculation. It's got some defaults. It's got a 12-inch, 1 foot overhang, and in this case, a default of 5.5 inches for the width of the board for a 2x6. So again, if you want to specify that, again, it shows the defaults here. It'll then tell you the length of those rafters. And so it'll tell you the rafter length in total, but it'll tell you the length of the board that you need to cut in order to make the appropriate cuts. If you could look at the rafter board, you'll see the detailed diagram here. So the rafter length is the total length. I'm sorry, the board length is the total length, and the rafter length is the cut after the trim pieces have been cut out of it. As in all VCalc calculations, you can change the units again if you want to other units. Again, metric system, or again, like in this case, it'll tell you it's 14 feet, 5 and 9/6 inches. You can use those results, of course, but you can also send yourself a specification sheet where you can put in your email and give yourself some notes, and we will send you this information in an email, so you can have that. And again, this is one of many calculators related to framing roofs, in this case, gables. And you can click on any of these links and it'll take you to more calculators related to the geometries associated with framing. All right, thank you so much for listening, and thank you for using VCalc. If you have any comments or corrections, that happens, let us know, and we will make them as quickly as we can and always try to help. And everything's free thanks to our sponsors. All right, take care.